Hi and welcome to the channel. If you've been following us, you know we usually test features on Android gaming devices. But today, we're switching things up and talking about the iPhone. I've discovered an exciting accessory from the case brand RhinoShield that can transform your iPhone 14 or 15 into a gaming phone with shoulder triggers. First off, this isn't a paid promotion from RhinoShield. I don't have an iPhone 14 or 15 to test this case, so this video is purely informative. However, if you all like this video, maybe RhinoShield will send me a sample, and I'll make sure to get an iPhone to test it. Then we can compare these shoulder triggers against the native triggers of a Red Magic device or an ROG phone to see how they stack up. We all know iPhones are incredibly powerful devices, and some games are better optimized for iOS than Android. However, iPhones often lack certain gaming features, like shoulder triggers, to maintain their sleek design. Besides, they already have an action button. That's why it's remarkable that RhinoShield has created a case to simulate this experience. The technology in this case is quite impressive. It doesn't rely on software, but instead uses physics. With a touch of sensor buttons, the body's electrical signals are transmitted, triggering real-time electrodes on the screen protector. According to RhinoShield, every command responds within milliseconds, synchronized with your instincts and actions. To make this work, you need to use the official screen protector included with the case, not one from a third party. Don't worry, there are templates to help you with the installation. For this to work, you need a game that allows button remapping in the in-game configuration, such as the new Call of Duty Mobile Warzone. Additionally, the gaming bumper case has a backplate-free design to enhance cooling efficiency and prevent overheating. You might even be able to use the new MagSafe Red Magic Cooler 5 Pro, but this needs testing. The case itself seems solid, with RhinoShield mentioning military-grade defense for solid protection. As for compatibility, this case is only available for the iPhone 14 and iPhone 15 in all their variants. I'm sure RhinoShield is working to include other brands like Samsung's flagship devices, but since this case relies on physics and each screen's technology is different, they need to proceed cautiously to ensure this new concept works before investing in a new design. The price is a bit steep at $65, but if you've already invested in a new iPhone, this case might be worth trying out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated on mobile gaming. See you in the next video.